All right, we're going in with some ground turkey that I've cooked and seasoned. Guys, season up your meat. Believe me now, hear me later. You don't want unseasoned meat. Don't be afraid to season it, baby. Got some of that good stovetop, baby. That stovetop makes all the difference in the world. Gotta use it. Now, to piss off everybody in the chat, in the comments, we're using a little of this home-style turkey gravy. It's in a bottle. It's pre-made. It's full of sodium, all the bad stuff you're going to comment about in the comments. But this stuff is full of flavor. Guys, if you're trying to save a little bit of time, especially making this easy 4-ingredient casserole, get on some of this. Listen, guys, that turkey is dry. So adding about a half of a jar of this gravy, it's gonna make all the difference in the world. All right, let's give this up a mix. Get all this goodness together. Listen, I know we'll catch a little bit of heat for using some of these ingredients, but you see them all over the shelf. So you know many people use them. I'm gonna show you how to combine them all up, make them one delicious dish. And hate all you want in the comments, but you're gonna love this. Got a greased baking dish. I don't know if all this is gonna fit in there, but we're gonna give it the old college try. I'm gonna fill about 2/3 of the bottom of this thing with our stuffing and turkey mix, because we gotta leave some room for those beautiful mashed taters. Y'all, I know you're questioning this, but guys, trust me when I say this is gonna be money in the bank. All right, next up we're going a little Bob Evans mashed potatoes. Just a nice layer on that. I guess you could think of this as a little Thanksgiving shepherd's pie maybe. But we're gonna smooth all that out. Get it to edge. Evenly distribute. Looking good, baby. All right. I guess technically it'll be 5 ingredients. We're gonna give it a little garlic and herb powder over the top, so that makes 5 ingredients, but that's not bad at all. This is gonna be so dang tasty. Masterpiece is ready to go in the oven, 350, 20 minutes or so. Now I know you're gonna hate on the stove top right here. Listen, it was good enough for your grandparents, your parents. It's good enough for us, right? And you know good old Bob Evans makes a decent mashed potato. So hate all you want, this is coming together to a beautiful dish. All right, straight from the oven, our Thanksgiving shepherd's pie is ready to go. Let's cut a little corner out of it. This is about 6 servings worth. There we go. Like I said, Thanksgiving shepherd's pie. You know we're gonna add a little bit more of that gravy. Of course I warmed it up. There you go, that's a dish. Let's get a bite. Yeah, this is a perfect little casserole, shepherd's pie, whatever you want to call it. Perfect for the holidays. Listen, this took no time at all. This ain't roasting a turkey, everything from scratch, all that stuff you do at Thanksgiving. This is the easy way. So if you just want to cut through all the BS, get some of this. Baby, you know it's good.